Welcome back to this exclusive video series, Introduction to the Prism Method. Are you a first-time visitor? Click on the New to the Prism Method link to see what we've covered so far. You'll find our first video, plus see how you can subscribe to this free program and get all the information you may have missed. No need to subscribe now, but we think you'll want to catch up with us and continue to move forward. So far, we've introduced the Prism marketing personalities and how they work together to form a strategic marketing campaign for your business. Now it's time to create content for that campaign. Content comes in two forms. Advertising brings new prospects to your loyalty ladder, and marketing helps migrate prospects along the ladder, from one stage to the next. Content can be static, like print and media ads, interactive, like websites, kiosks, and DVDs, or what's called human, a salesperson or call center rep. The Prism personalities are designed to adapt to and communicate each of these kinds of content. Let's look at an example of static content, like print media ads. Here, you must know who your audience is, who your readers are. Your ad content must match the color personality of your campaign. A greeter campaign will be about you and what you do. Clear, accessible words describe your business as unique, distinctive. This step should inform, not sell or convince. Graphic images and logos, like a simple picture of a pool for a pool construction company, can establish and register your brand and get your prospects interested enough to move on to your concierge message. Here you'll focus on emotions and feelings. How does your product make the consumer feel? What makes them connect to the service you provide? Concierge messages appeal to imagination and desire. Ad copy is descriptive and inviting. A logo helps paint the full-color mental picture, like a palm tree or lounge chair for our swimming pool company. Here's where the consultant campaign comes in. To construct sales proposals, they can be a web message or a DVD you mail out. Remember, here and at every rung on the ladder, your message must be clear, direct, and consistent. Next, the ambassador takes over and lets the prospect know the benefits and unique selling points of your product and completes the sale. This stage is all about the facts. A salesperson or phone rep, human content, should relay your message with lists and charts to inform a prospect. Invite and call to action with a friendly "buy now." Remember, you can use a different kind of content to communicate. But what you say and how you say it has to be clear and consistent. And it has to match whichever rung on the loyalty ladder your campaign is on. Now the butler steps in with premier customer service to maintain loyalty, followed by the miner who helps your customers create new business with referral, incentives, and discounts. Here's a radio spot, an example of interactive content. Listen to each part and identify each market personality. Radio needs to speak to everyone, so the message needs to be a bit broader. Websites are a different creature. A homepage should accommodate all the marketing personalities, or you risk demigration. This homepage example shows how and to what the space is allocated, including campaigns still to be introduced. There's real estate for both immediate sales to current customers and opportunity for new business referrals. As in all content, web design must address campaigns of every Prism color. These are some of the Prism method basics. Remember, follow the ladder step by step in order. Match your content to the loyalty ladder campaign rungs. Make your message consistent with your strategy. More details will follow in future videos. Up next, how business analytics can stimulate and, yes, predict the success of your marketing campaign before it's launched. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon.